Welcome to our channel English Accent, where you not only learn English, but also learn how to transform your thinking, your habits, and your entire life. My purpose is not just to help you speak better English. My purpose is to help you become the best version of yourself. Confident, powerful, and unstoppable. My friend, listen carefully. Life doesn't always go the way we plan. Sometimes it feels like everything is falling apart. You try so hard, but nothing seems to work. You see others moving forward, while you feel stuck in the same place. You start to lose faith in yourself. You start to believe maybe success is not for you. But today, I want you to know the truth. Your story is not over. Your life can turn around at any moment, if you decide to take control. Do you know what separates people who succeed from those who don't? It's not luck. It's not money. It's not background. It's one thing: the decision to change. The moment you decide that enough is enough, that you are done living small, that you will no longer blame anyone or anything, that moment becomes the turning point of your life. Let me tell you about a young man named Ryan. He was born in a small town. His family was poor. His father worked as a driver. His mother cleaned houses. They struggled every single day. Ryan wanted to study, but money was always short. He saw other kids wearing good clothes, using good phones, living easy lives. And he felt invisible. One day, his teacher asked the class, "What do you want to become in the future?" Everyone gave big answers: doctor, engineer, pilot. When it was Ryan's turn, he said quietly, "I don't know." The class laughed. His teacher smiled sadly and said, "You must know. Without a goal, you will go nowhere." That night, Ryan sat alone under the stars and thought deeply. For the first time, he asked himself, "What do I really want?" He didn't want to be rich just to show off. He wanted freedom. He wanted respect. He wanted to give his parents a better life. And that night, he made a promise. "One day, I will turn my life around." From that moment, something changed inside him. He stopped wasting time. He stopped complaining. He started reading books, learning online, improving his English, and watching motivational lessons just like this one. People laughed at him. They said, "Why are you wasting time? You'll never make it." But Ryan didn't listen. He kept working every single day. It wasn't easy. There were nights when he wanted to quit, days when he felt like a failure, times when he had no money, no energy, no support. But he remembered his promise. And one day, an opportunity came. A company needed someone who could speak English fluently and handle clients from another country. Ryan applied. He was nervous, but confident. He gave his best, and he got the job. Years later, that same boy who once had nothing became a successful manager in a multinational company. His parents no longer worked. His life had completely changed. And when someone asked him, "How did you do it?" he smiled and said, "I stopped waiting for the right time. I made today the right time." My friend, you don't need perfect conditions to start changing your life. You just need courage. You need to take that first step. Everyone who ever turned their life around started from nothing, with fear in their heart, but determination in their mind. Maybe right now you feel lost. You don't know where to go. You've failed many times. You've been rejected. You've been ignored. People might have told you, "You can't do it." But remember, their words don't define your future. Your choices do. Every time you fall, you have two options: stay down and complain, or stand up and fight again. The moment you stand up, life starts to change. The universe respects effort. It doesn't reward talk. It rewards action. If you want to turn around your life, stop blaming others. Stop saying, My parents didn't support me. My country has no opportunities. My friends don't understand me. Everyone has problems. But successful people don't use problems as excuses. They use them as motivation. Think about this. A seed grows in the dark before it reaches the light. A butterfly struggles inside the cocoon before it flies. A diamond forms under extreme pressure. In the same way, your struggles are shaping you. Every painful moment is building your strength. You might not see results today, but that doesn't mean your effort is wasted. When you plant a seed, you don't see the plant instantly. But under the soil, something is growing. Your progress works the same way. Every book you read, every habit you change, every skill you learn, it's all preparing you for your moment. But to reach that moment, you must stop running from pain. You must face it. Because pain is the price of transformation. The only way to turn around your life is to go through what you've been avoiding. Face your fears, face your failures, face your doubts, and once you do, you'll realize they were never as big as you thought. Let me tell you a truth that few understand. Your mind is the driver of your destiny. Whatever you believe, you become. If you keep saying, "I'm unlucky," your mind will find proof of that. If you say, "I'm not smart enough," your actions will reflect it. But the moment you say, "I can do it," your entire energy shifts. You start seeing possibilities instead of problems. You want to change your life? Start changing your language. Stop saying, "I can't." Start saying, "I will." Stop saying, "It's hard." Start saying, "It's a challenge." Stop saying, I'm tired." Start saying, "I'm getting stronger." Your words shape your reality. Speak power into your life, not weakness. And one more thing. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is like a wave. It comes and goes. Discipline is like the ocean. It stays. If you only work when you feel motivated, you'll never reach your dreams. You must learn to work even when you feel lazy, tired, or uninspired. That's what separates winners from the rest. Do you know what the most successful people have in common? They all faced moments when they wanted to give up. But they didn't. They kept going when nobody was watching. They kept believing when nobody believed in them. They kept pushing when nothing was working. Because they knew something powerful. The moment you refuse to give up, life starts to give in. My friend, your past does not define your future. Your mistakes are not your identity. Your pain is not your destiny. You can turn everything around if you decide to change your mindset today. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need special talent. You just need hunger. The hunger to grow. The hunger to learn. The hunger to become better every single day. Start small. Wake up earlier than usual. Spend 30 minutes reading something that improves your mind. Write down your goals. Plan your day. Learn one new English word and use it. Exercise for 10 minutes. Call someone you love and thank them. Do something productive every day. Because small steps create big transformations. And don't forget, success is not about proving others wrong. It's about proving yourself right. You owe it to yourself to live the life you dream of. There will be days when you doubt yourself, days when you feel you're not enough. But in those moments, remind yourself who you are. You are a fighter. You are a learner. You are someone who refuses to quit. You are capable of miracles. Remember Ryan's story? He wasn't special. He wasn't lucky. He was just determined. You have that same power inside you, the same courage, the same potential. You just have to awaken it. So from today, promise yourself. No more complaining, no more excuses, no more waiting. Promise yourself that you will start right now, no matter how small. Promise yourself that you will not stop until your life turns around completely. And one day, you will look back and smile. You'll remember the nights you cried, the days you struggled, the times you felt lost. And you'll realize it was all worth it. Because every tear, every pain, every failure brought you here. To your success, to your transformation, to your new life. The power to turn around your life has always been inside you. It's not in luck. It's not in someone else's hands. It's in your decisions, your thoughts, and your actions. You don't need to wait for a miracle. You are the miracle. So stand tall, my friend. Lift your head. Straighten your back. Look into the mirror and say with confidence, "This is my time. I will turn my life around." Because you will. I believe in you.